Morning, guys. My breakfast is very late. My grandson is having a snack and it's my breakfast. It's boiled egg and coffee with mulberry tea. I mix all together. I didn't realize it's already 11 o'clock. My gosh. Anyway, good morning. It's almost noon. It's already October 12, I guess, today. So while having my breakfast, my very late breakfast, I'm watching TV. There you go. The favorite show of my grandson. He always loves to watch this family on YouTube. He loves the baby boy. His name is Baby Jack. So there is my grandson. He loves that family from UK. There's a little girl that she loves, that he loves. There you go. There is Gael watching Jenny. I don't know where is Jack. Where is Jack, Gael? Careful, you fall down. Get down. Oh, there is baby Jack, Gael. There is baby Jack. You love baby Jack. Oh, he's so cute. I love baby Jack too. Half Filipino, half British. But very sad, their father is in the hospital. He is so sick. So there is my grandson again, sleeping on his toys. Too many toys. Still some others are in the boxes. Only this one that he have. There you go. There is baby Jack, Gael. I know you love baby Jack. There is baby Jack, Gael. You're lazy to watch again. Okay, you go and finish your breakfast, Gael. Go, go, go. I will finish to my breakfast. Okay. Morning, guys. We're still here in Isabela, in my house. Enjoying the day with my grandson again. That I will go and check my front house because I have to clean the yard along the road. So I will be going to sweep them later.
Hindi siya nagtatae for like a week. Say hello mga titas.
To help the community. So I have to clean our front yard later. After I have this late breakfast. Kael, there is Jack. Oh, you love Jack? There is Jack. He's kissing Jack. It's your favorite boy on YouTube. Okay. Here is my front. This is my front yard. There's along the road there. I have to go later to do the cleaning along my road. Just only to sweep. That's all. That's what I have to do after my having my late breakfast. I enjoy cleaning to make myself busy every day. Not always on the TV. I alternate watching TV and doing some cleaning. And my exercise. I just done my exercise. 250 sit-ups. I was able to do it today. I'm so happy. And my stretching, I omit today. I did not do it. Maybe later. Bye-bye. Guys, see you again later tomorrow.